Each particle of the world around us, from the air we breathe, the water we drink, to the very cells that make up our bodies, all were born from the fiery depths of distant stars. Beyond our blue skies, there's a universe of epic proportions, teeming with countless galaxies, each home to millions, if not billions of stars. It's a cosmic dance on a scale that's almost beyond human understanding. Every second, stars are born, they live and they die, each playing their part in this grand cosmic ballet. Yet, as vast and mysterious as the universe is, we're not merely spectators. We're part of this universe, connected in the most fundamental ways. Isn't it intriguing that we're all made of stardust and are a part of this vast universe? The journey to understanding our cosmos has been a long and exciting one, dating back to the ancient civilizations. They were the first astronomers, charting the night sky with meticulous detail. They saw patterns in the stars, which we now know as constellations, and used them to navigate, to mark seasons, and to tell stories of their gods and heroes. Then came the Renaissance, a time of great intellectual awakening. It was during this era that the telescope was invented, a tool that would revolutionize our understanding of the heavens. Suddenly, the night sky was not just a tapestry of twinkling lights, but a vast, complex universe waiting to be explored. It was around this time that Nicholas Copernicus proposed a radical idea that the Earth was not the center of the universe, but instead orbited the Sun. His heliocentric model was met with resistance, but it set the stage for a new understanding of our place in the cosmos. Following in Copernicus's footsteps, Galileo Galilei used his improved telescope to observe the moons of Jupiter, providing further evidence that Earth was not the center of everything. Galileo's observations and writings laid the foundation for modern physics and astronomy. Then came Sir Isaac Newton, a man whose impact on science cannot be overstated. Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation not only explained why the planets moved as they did, but also how objects behave here on Earth. His work unified the laws of heaven and earth, knitting together the cosmos in a single tapestry of physics. These early pioneers were the trailblazers of their time, challenging the status quo and daring to imagine a universe far more complex and magnificent than anyone had previously conceived. Their curiosity, ingenuity, and courage laid the foundation for the centuries of discovery that would follow. They dared to look up, to question, and to explore. These early pioneers laid the groundwork for what would become a journey beyond our planet and into the star-studded cosmos. The era of space exploration truly began. This marked a significant turning point in our history, the moment when humanity first ventured beyond the confines of our own planet. The following year, in 1958, the United States responded by establishing NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This marked the beginning of a race to the stars, a race that continues to this day. In 1961, humanity experienced another major milestone. Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut, left the Earth's atmosphere, becoming the first human to travel into space. This event marked a new era of exploration, one where humans themselves could venture into the cosmos. Just 8 years later, in 1969, we achieved the seemingly impossible. The Apollo 11 mission, led by NASA, successfully landed 2 astronauts on the Moon. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to step foot on an extraterrestrial body, forever marking our place in the cosmos. In the decades that followed, we continued to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. The Voyager spacecrafts, launched in the late 70s, have given us unprecedented insights into our outer solar system and are still transmitting data, even as they venture into interstellar space. In 1998, we established a permanent human presence in space with the launch of the International Space Station. This marvel of engineering and international cooperation has served as a platform for countless scientific discoveries and technological advancements. In recent years, we've extended our reach even further to our neighboring planet Mars. The rover's Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, along with the Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter, have allowed us to study the Martian surface in unprecedented detail. Through their eyes, we're beginning to understand the history and potential future of Mars. These achievements are not the end, but merely the beginning of humanity's journey to the stars. As we look to the future, we can only imagine what other incredible milestones await us in the vast expanse of space. From our own sun to distant galaxies, stars are the celestial bodies that have captured our curiosity for ages. These luminous spheres of plasma, scattered across the infinite canvas of space, are more than just twinkling dots in our night sky. They're the fundamental building blocks of the cosmos, the celestial furnaces where elements are forged, and they play a pivotal role in the grand cosmic theatre. Our current understanding of stars is a testament to our collective curiosity and technological advancements. Stars, much like living creatures, go through a life cycle. They're born within the dense, dust-laden clouds of interstellar medium, where gravity pulls the dust and gas together into a protostar. As the protostar matures, it enters what we call the main sequence stage, a period of stability where hydrogen is fused into helium, releasing an immense amount of energy. This is the stage our own sun is currently in. Eventually, the star exhausts its hydrogen, leading to subsequent stages of fusion and expansion, eventually culminating in a supernova or a gentle puffing off of outer layers, depending on the star's mass. This dramatic end results in either a neutron star or a black hole. The expelled material, rich in heavier elements, goes on to become the raw material for new stars, planets, and possibly life. We've learned all this and more through tools like telescopes and satellites, which have allowed us to peer into the distant cosmos. From ground-based observatories to space telescopes like Hubble and the Kepler Space Telescope, we've been able to study stars in unprecedented detail. These tools have not only unveiled the life cycles of stars, but also led to discoveries of exoplanets, enhancing our understanding of the universe. Every star has a story to tell, and we're just beginning to understand these celestial narratives. As our technology advances and our knowledge deepens, who knows what other secrets the stars hold for us to discover? The universe, with its stars and galaxies, is a vast, unexplored frontier, waiting for us to discover its secrets. Imagine the possibilities. As we continue to push the boundaries of knowledge, we are opening up new avenues for exploration and discovery. The stars above us are not just distant points of light, but worlds of their own, each with its own story to tell. As we continue to explore, we'll unlock the secrets they hold, from the formation of planets to the possibility of life beyond our own. Humanity's future lies in the stars. We're on the cusp of a new era of exploration, where we'll not only learn more about our universe, but also about ourselves. We'll discover new technologies, new sciences, and perhaps even new ways of thinking about our place in the cosmos. So next time, when you look up at the night sky, remember, we're all a part of this cosmic journey, and the secrets of the universe are waiting to be discovered.